Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my really quick and really easy wash and go. If that's something you want to see, stay tuned. We'll jump right into the video. So I've already sectioned my hair into the piece that I'm going to start working with first. Y'all, my absolute favorite concoction is about $10 at your local beauty supply store, okay? The Maui Moisture, and it's the curl quencher with coconut oil. It's the curl smoothie, y'all. It smells, oh my god, it smells so good. I could literally eat this shit. And then it has like a really thick consistency to it. And I'm going to be pairing that with my favorite gel at the moment, which is the Extreme Wetline, and I'm going to be using the clear one. I just want to show you guys a quick trick for anyone that's new to doing wash and goes. You want to make sure that you're mixing products that are going to combine really smoothly. If it cakes up on your hand, then it's going to cake up in your hair. So this is just a little test. Get like a quarter size of the Maui Moisture Curl Smoothie, and then I'm going to get a quarter size of the Extreme Gel, and I'm just going to rub that together like that just to see what kind of consistency it's going to give me once it's on my hair. And as you guys can see, it's really like creamy, really creamy. It looks like it has a decent slip to it. So because it looks like this, when I combine the products on my hand, I know that when it gets in my hair, it's not gonna cake up and crumble. It's gonna go on smoothly, and the products are actually gonna soak into my hair, and that's exactly what you want. Since I already have this on my hands, I'm just gonna go right in. Really working the products into the hair. And then I'm going to go in with my wet liner and just seal it all in. And as you guys can see, it's giving us great slip, right? Really creamy, and it's not flaky, right? You can see it like blending into the hair. It's not going to give you like cakey hair, okay? Because that is not cute, sis. So my hair is so many different textures, y'all, and so many different curl types that I just kind of like to shingle through the bottom, because my hair is a lot tighter here. So that's my go-to method for the bottom of my hair, but as I move up, you guys will see how I treat my curls towards the top, because these curls at the bottom, they're gonna do their own thing anyway. So okay, and I'm just gonna move on to the next row, and we're just gonna keep going. It's really important for me that my hair clumps together like this, because when it dries, it just gives me better definition and it lasts so much longer, y'all. Okay guys, so I've just finished my wash and go. As you can see, it's already shaping up really nicely. It's gonna look like a really pretty golden mushroom on my head, so that's great. But I'll just turn around so you guys can see what it looks like. I parted the front sections going down, and I called it that way. When it dries, so it's gonna come together, and then it's just gonna get bigger, and we're gonna fluff it out. And I might even put the blow dryer on my roots just to stretch out my hair just a little, because we do have length. Okay, we're not bald-headed, so don't get it twisted on period. Now it's fully dried. It's been about, I said it's been about 4 or 5 hours. I did sit under the dryer for a little while. So I just figured that I'd come on camera and show you guys how I stretch out my hair and fluff it out before I actually go out into public. Don't get me wrong, I mean, if you want your wash and go to last like 3 or 4 days, on day 1, I'd probably not even manipulate it at all just to control the frizz. But so you could definitely wear your hair out like this, but me personally, y'all know I like a volume, so I'm gonna fluff out my hair and I'll show y'all how to do that, and then I'll be back with the finished result. For me, my hair easily can get frizzy, so whenever I'm doing this step, I just make sure that I grab my ends and I'm holding those, and then I just go in with the pick and then pick out the root. That way I'm not manipulating the ends at all. That's key, sis, so you don't get that frizz. So for those of you that are new to my channel, my hair type, I'd say it's between like 3C, 4A right here in the front, 4A, 4B, and then 4B, 4C in the back, because I mean the texture is a lot tighter, but it's not like super coarse, if that makes any sense. So it's manageable. Yeah, so that's my hair type. I really hope this video was beneficial for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos, and stay tuned because I got more videos coming. While you're at it, why don't you go back and watch some of those videos that I'm going to tag here and here. And I'm also going to tag all the products that I use down below in the description box. So if you guys want to cop some of these items, go ahead and use my link. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye!